What's up, Eddie? How you doing? Good morning, Sally. How are you?
Morning.
And Mr. D by Novicki? Reporting for duty. I love it, Eddie. Okay. You're at least here and present. Am I? Is my brain? Let's see. Okay, gotta do this and this. Sorry. How you doing? Sorry, no, I was squinting my eyes because I do not have my glasses on. I've come to realize that I am indeed blind without my glasses. So here we go. Hey Boom, how are we today? How are you doing? Show me the money, let's do this. I love it. Hey Godhouse, are we ready, steady to do this thing? Sorry, I was having too much fun editing this morning. Driving home from hospital and saw your stream while changing music. Oh, Solly. How was your mom? I know you've been very hush hush about it, so I will ask once and then leave it alone. That being said, I do hope she's still good. Okay. Of course, naturally, I always freaking do this. On the plus side, we now have really nice relative equal lows. I'm just gonna pop that over there so that's not in my way. Let's do this. So this... Okay. This is New York High. Why am I doing that? This is New York High as well as relative equal highs. I can already tell you that one for funsies. Have I... Oh no. Oh, I better not be getting sick. Oh gosh. Relative equal highs at the tippy top there. Let's quickly mark out everything we got to mark out before London opens solidly. Yeah, okay, so got that. This is previous day low theoretically, as well as some... Damn. What a bunch of equal highs and lows. I'm calling it New York low. Oh, starting great. Tell Solly hi from me. Solly, Boom says hi. Hey, Mr. D, how's it going? Am I planning to make some setup during NFP? Let's see. So I do stream and trade both London and New York sessions. So to be determined. Let's have a look-see. But yeah, I'll probably hop on if I'm going to end up taking a trade during New York. Let's see, but I will definitely be here. Okay. Regardless of what happens, I will still be here. Okay. Here we go. Here's Asia low. And there, this was yesterday's midnight open, so let's get rid of that. Let's now check out the new daily. Oh, doesn't help if you draw things like an absolute chopstick. Boop, 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 boop. Okay. Okay. So new daily open is technically here, but right below it, what am I doing? I'm doing this. Sorry, don't mind my brain. I will respond to y'all shortly. Right below it, we now also have, right now out loud, there we go. We also have this volume imbalance. I wonder if this is going to be respected pretty well. Potentially. Let's zoom in slightly, make sure yep, okay. Just gonna mark out this volume imbalance because this could potentially be quite a decent level. There we go. Okay, and now let's quickly mark out midnight. Midnight. Oh no. Oh no. Are you guys ready? I'm not ready. Bless me. Sorry about that. Now midnight. Okie dokie artichoke. And clearly we are stuck a little bit in that range. Done. Awesome. Now, on to the next, which is, what am I doing? Oh, top to bottom analysis. So that's done. Sorry, I malfunctioned there. Anyways, Dom, good morning. I have a question. How much did you start off with when you started trading? Are you talking like capital, right? Or are you asking with regards to the balance? Which one are you asking about? Guardhouse? Oh, interesting. Okay, so you're asking, okay, so not that. It really depends. I think to get going, maybe give yourself, especially when it comes to prop firms. So this is the debate I've been kind of having. I think you must only get a prop when you are ready, right? And just in my opinion, okay, again, it's just my opinion, I think props are the way to go when you start. Just because then you don't blow through capital, right? So give yourself a minimum of $200 to start off with, but make it be $200 you do not care about. And I minimum, right? Minimum. Nice. Hey, Boojay, what's up? How's it going? How's it going? Hope everyone's amazing today, by the way. 4 minutes left. Attention. Thanks, Dom. Let's see. And then with regards to my balance that I have currently, when you start off, you start with 50,000. Yeah. So as you can see, I'm a little bit in drawdown. Well, a little bit. I'm in drawdown. I'm not going to say a little bit. I'm in drawdown. You wanted to go up to 53,000. Hey, Howard, what's up? Hey, F1 for fun. Mr. 1K Adder, what's up? I have $500 on my personal account. There we go. See, then you're fine. Mom, she's waiting on something. Oh my gosh, Solly, damn. That sounds like a freaking nightmare. I'm sorry. That sounds like a very stressful situation as well. For such a young child. Wait, actually, you were being nice to me earlier. Are you okay? Are you fine? You're not being mean to me. Also, Solly Boom said hi, by the way. I mean, we solidly broke that. Maybe we want to properly close above this volume imbalance. No. I mean, we're in a little bit of a range, so. Hey, what's up, David? You know, you could say good morning like a normal human being. Just a fun thought. But then again, you're not a normal human being, are you? So it's okay. But is this like technically kind of like a loan or something? And I'm kind of confused. I can message you on Discord and explain a little bit further if you're keen for that, right? So you pay for the prop room, but depending on which prop you go to, it can be between like, I'm giving averages, it could be less, it could be a little bit more, like $50 to $90 potentially a month. Again, dependent on the prop firm, right? And that's like a monthly cost, but they start off with 50,000 and you can lose $2,000 and then you've blown the account and then you have to reset the account or purchase a new one. Or you can gain 3,000 and then you have passed the evaluation stage and now you're funded. Then you have to gain a certain amount and then you can start getting payouts. So I actually don't know why 50,000. Does anyone know why 50,000? Is it just an easy... I'm not actually sure why 50,000. I just know that they start with 50,000. Good question with regards to that. Not 100% sure. What's up, Debbie? Oh, my kids say good morning. I guess that's valid. Tiger Clan. Oh, what's up? Okay, this... we could either be going bulls up to 504-ish level or down we go. This is this is just stuck in a damn range. Anyways, so that's the daily. Let's quickly check the 4 hour. I know I'm now, oopsies, I'm 2 minutes late. Sorry, Dom. Could come back down, retest into here. could want to tap into this order block on the 4-hour. Let's see where we are headed towards. Okay. Does look like the bulls are a little bit more in play though, for now. Okay, so that's 4 hours. Let's check the 1 hour. Bit of an inverse fair value gap that's happened here. Might want to retest there. Okay, relative equal highs here and a little bit further up. Okay, you know, like I said, then the next one would be around that 504-ish level. 15 minutes. See how it looks on the 15. I hate it when it's in range. Oh, I hate it so much. What's up, love? How you doing? 4 hours to be so strong with the structures. Oops, I'm late. That's okay, soldier boy. What's up? How you doing? No, sorry, wait, I'm supposed to be like disgusting. I can't believe you're late. What's wrong with you? Ugh. Be better. Just kidding. Hope you're doing 5 minutes and 1. Okay. 1 minute was a nice solid downshift. That's cool. Let's get the opening range. Bounce off of there, back down to VWAP. Really went straight into that midnight. That's cool. 3 a.m. Actually, every opening, midnight, and now 3 a.m. open has all been bearish. Do you think that tends to have a bit of a say? Sorry, I've just realized that now. Do you think that has any indication of what it could lead to? Never really thought about it, never really considered it. It just randomly popped into my head. Like I said, midnight, opening, and now 3 a.m. open are all bearish candles. Does that have anything to do? No, not really. Hey, Sue, what's up? Entry onto VWAP. Let's see, this now has no wick. I'm gonna have to see how this looks on the 5 minute as well. Back down to VWAP. Ooh. Wait a second, this could be quite nice. Let's check the 5 minute. I know, don't go and rush into things. It kind of tapped into a volume imbalance on the 5 minute. Not solid enough though. 3:15. Quickly. Not too quickly, but quickly. Oh, this is below. Shoot. Could actually be. Oh, it's pushing solidly on ES right now. I know, don't be impatient and rush into things. Don't be impatient and rush into things. Don't be impatient and rush into things. Oh, wait, doji and a bulbul. We have a bulbul that's formed. I'm trying to not be too impatient and do the whole jump into things. I've done that before and it right and royally screwed me. This is kind of like a job site. No, not really. Inky was slow in Asia, so I traded silver. 1 micro, my stop loss got bottom, taking the window. No, Solly, that's not okay. That is not okay. Do I use ICT? I use ICT concept. Oh, thanks. Thanks, M-Star. That's super sweet. Hey, Nklule, how you doing? I like your candles, thank you. Is that a mantra for the day? Which one? M-Star thinks up. Interesting. So Dom's in a short. M-Star thinks it's going up. What time frame is this currently? This is the 1 minute time frame currently. Hey, Frick, what's up? Picks up in 10 minutes. Might give us direction. Nice. Hey, Scientosh. For anyone that's just hopped on, sorry, I'm really trying. I mean, look at these huge candles. That being said though, clearly the buyers are still in control. If Okay, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. I'm glad I didn't rush into this. Maybe it would have worked out, but at least I didn't rush. On the higher time frames, it looked okay. The 5-minute looked good, the 15-minute did not look ideal, so... Do not rush! Not worth rushing. Rather mistrade than rushing, and it's a bad one, so... Ooh, I nearly played the wrong one. For anyone that's just hopped on.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Hope everyone's doing amazing. I hope it's good. Volume coming. Let's see, Dom. Go for 10 to 15 points. I got this. How about what the volume coming? Let's see. Daz! Hi! How are you? The only problem is, Dom, yes, good rejection, but it did not continue. I would only consider it a good rejection if it's solidly rejected and then the sellers came into play. The fact that it's revisiting is a little bit... could be a little bit dangerous. Let's see, it's now also above VWAP on ES, and it's created a volume imbalance on ES. Doesn't mean it's not gonna go down. This is just my brain overthinking and looking at everything. And overanalyzing. Oxby? I'm sorry if I butchered that. No more FOMO. How did I do that? I'm magic. No, I got a bunch of memes. Wanna see my memes? I love my memes. Majority of people's favorite is this one.
Emotional damage.
Trade a little bit. And wait. Sugar honey iced tea. There we go. Those were driving me crazy.
That's what she said.
And that one. Thank you. Hold on, I'll take my 2-minute chart. Am I trading MNQ specifically? Oh, there we go. Nicely called, Dom. Okay, there we go. Down to VWAP. Not respecting volume imbalances on the buy side. Cool. Noted. Futures. Ernest, what's up? Why are we screaming? Okay. Now this, don't rush into this. That was a good little retest there. Go all the way back down. Let's see, basically on VWAP. Hey, your moms! What's up? I love that. Good to know the sellers are in control. Did just take out the sell side liquidity though. Let's see if we got anything else. Let's check the higher time frames as well. Why are we doing sad? Remember NFP today? I know. Sometimes when there's news during during New York, London can move quite nicely. Sometimes, obviously, depending. London session. The old godhouse, what's up? Need to go short. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Cool. Okie dokie, back we go. Let's check now. So that's, what am I on? This is the 5 minutes. Just check the 15-minute. Feel pretty solid here. Let's see how it reacts in this zone. I mean, like I said, this is not ideal going up. So maybe it does give some good things going to the sell side. Let's see. Decent rejection. That's all we got though. See how it reacts here on VWAP. I'm just looking at what you're doing. You're good, Dom. I mean, that's okay. Oh god, like I said, while I'm streaming, if you come up with questions, literally spam me on Discord. It's fine. I might not be able to answer, obviously, straight away, but spam and I'll eventually get back to you. Go for it. You know, if I'm doing something and you're like, Okay, at this point you did this swipe. Ooh. See? To be determined, obviously, but I do kind of agree. London might give some clean price action, and then New York might be terrifying. Let's see, though. Wow, you're calling me boring, David. How rude. Rude. Your mom's, how long have I been trading? 11 months. Yeah, going on 11 months now. Well, what do you mean going on? It has been 11 months. Going on a year. Don't you wait for 15 minutes or before you can pick sell to buy as new. Especially not really during the London session. New York sometimes.
Emotional damage.
It's past 4 p.m. here in the Philippines. Where am I from? If you're from the US or Canada, please call it a day and go to sleep. Never! No, I'm kidding. I'm actually from South Africa, so it is like 10:15 in the morning. Yeah, it's beautiful. And it's not too hot, not too cold. It's a beautiful day in South Africa. I must say yesterday was horrendous. It was like 31 degrees and humid as all heck. So yesterday was not fun. But today, actually, it's a little bit cloudy, but not too humid. I love it. Might actually be able to do some things other than want to die. Made to trade 20 words up. Good group. Okay, so, okay. You guys have piqued my curiosity because I love this. When I say I love this, I mean I love the fact that there's such varying opinions. In all honesty, people, in all honesty, if you look at the daily, we are in a range. The daily chart, we are still kind of stuck in a range. That's why I'm like this. There's opportunity for either side. Which, you know, then makes sense why people have such varying opinions about what it could be doing. Okay, bears so far are winning. No, okay. Oh, see, the fighting has started. Even on the poll, I love it. Okay, my bad. Wait, what? You're bad for what? Oh, about should I go to bed? I love your patience for trading. Thank you. I appreciate that. Yeah, no. Don't say my bad. You didn't know. Wombat showing up. A wombat? What do you mean a wombat? Soldier boy, I missed that. Range means stability, take the highs. That's interesting. I think he will still find a way to screw both sides. Robocop!
Emotional damage.
Yeah, the diva has spoken, and the diva always wins. If that breaks that support, I might sell. There we go. What sort of market does your strategy work best in? Trending? Trending. Clearly, definitely trending. Not breakout though, solid trend. Like momentum, little retest, momentum, retest. So like how you want charts to look with the little wee, where it looks like it's all happy days and sunshine and rainbows. Woo! Look at that! Damn! That was a rejection off of the VWAP if I've ever freaking seen one. Whoa, buddy! Okay. Kinda looks like the bulls have had enough. Hey, Germzy, what up? Aquana, what's up? What chart is that? This is the Nasdaq futures. What no bias daily, no 4 hour today. It's hard, but NFP gonna fix that. Let's see OTT. I agree with you. I looked at the daily and I was like, I don't know. Even so, I hopped onto Iris's live this morning, and she was also like, "We're in a range." with that what you will. Yeah, I know, OTT. I'm gonna have to readjust my whole life. Ugh! I hope you guys know I love you, or else I wouldn't be doing this. You voted Moo, I love it. Why? Just because it's funny? Q1 Expo, you told me what? It hasn't exactly. I won't call this long. Should we check what it looks like on the 5 minute? That's a doji. That's not long. I don't know what day means. Oh, okay. So, Godhouse, you get different, well, different charts. It's the same chart, but you can check what it looks like on the higher time frame. So I now moved it to the 5 minute. This is what the chart looks like on the 5 minute. So let me quickly not blind you guys. This is what the daily looks like. Okay. So you can see, obviously, it looks a little bit different to what the 1 minute would look like. So this is the daily, as you can see, definitely in a range. Okay, I could see that potentially the bulls could be taking over. I'm not convinced though. Okay, and then memento. 1 minute now looks like that. So yeah, so that's when we talk about the daily or the 5 minute, or it's what time frame you are looking at. Like the daily time frame. I'm on the 1 minute time frame currently. Hey Corey, what's up? I never day trade, but I day traded the past few days. It's been so volatile and easy money. Nice, Corey. Okay. What do you use? SMU. You said arrange. Damn, David, that was rough. Bullish on crypto and metals. Warthog scarce market, but metals crypto. Hey CBU, what's up? CBU, you want to learn trading? Same, no kidding. I'm kidding before you guys yell at me. I'm not here gonna claim like I'm an expert though. Where's Q1 Expo? I'm so sorry. I see that I have started the day being extra sassy. I'll sort myself out. I do not know why I've been extra sassy, but it's okay. Anyways. So yeah, I missed a potential one trade earlier, but I'm not upset about it because I didn't want to rush in. I have been there and done that so many times where I rush in and then I feel like a complete idiot for rushing in. Rather have patience and miss a trade than rush in without getting confirmations. Patience pays. Patience. That's thanks to OTT, just by the way. Shout out. Oh, sugar honey iced tea. Got to do this. But whoopsies, what did I do? Oh my gosh, I'm making it worse! Okay, we're good. We're good. Nah, just full put everything. We'll be okay. Go for it. Yeah, go on then, guys. Financially, no, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. That's not financial advice. Do not full port. I was joking. No full porting allowed. Damn. Normally I'm a position trader 5 to 10 trades a year. Oh, damn. Okay. Okay, it's more like a, well, would that even be a swing trade? I mean, it could be a swing trader. Or is the definition a position trade? That's very interesting. Would you classify a position trader in its own category, or would it be more a swing trader or more an investor? I want to say more of a swing trader. NP days are really hard to trade. Yeah, super sassy. Do it. The possibility of reversal, like a bull trap in the last session. Oh, interesting. Just full put everything. Oh, Soldier, the screaming wombat guy. The scream. Are you guys ready? See, at least I'm giving you guys a heads up. There's a scream coming. Anyways, funny. Fun. Random trades, random results. Ooh, I like that. See? No open trade, no son, nothing yet. Like I said, I missed this trade here, but that's about it. It's starting from 50, Austin. I am in drawdown. To be fair, I'm doing better than last week. Last week was shocking. I was down $717 last week. I think I'm more at break even this week, which is not bad. That being said, it's still Friday, so I could still shoot myself in the foot by saying that, but it's okay. Random trade means master trader. What? Reverend, stop it. Thank you, Godhouse. Remember those quarter days. Love it. Hey, what's up? Well, it's not a currency. I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. Micros to be specific. I thought it was raining. Oh, thanks, Austin. I appreciate it. It's just, yeah. One step at a time, right? One step at a time. Huh, interesting. Very interesting. Thanks, Corey. See, is position trader its own thing? See, learn something new every day. I love this. I freaking love it. Oh, I forgot to do something. Damn it, I thought I had organized my life. I had not organized my life. Okay, so... this is so cool. Bears won. Bears have won this poll, by the way. Not by a lot. On the horizontal, it's won by 55%, so 5%. And on the vertical, it's won basically samesies. 54%. Damn. So, as you can see, we are quite divided today. Literally, nearly, exactly in the middle about who we think is going to take control of the market. I think that is amazing. I absolutely love it. Anyways. So you can spend that money, it's yours. No. I haven't taken a payout yet. Hey, Brijan, what's up? You know what makes me wonder how someone with zero trading no longer comes to a live chat and asks what... you know, stuff and things. OTT, obviously. Whee! Here we go. Okay, let's see what we've got. Taking out a little bit here. Little tap into an order blocky. Decent level over there. I'm gonna have to see what it potentially looks like on the 5 nip. 3. If this retests, this could be good, but it might just keep dropping. Yep, okay. Yep. I said okay. Calm down. Thanks. Ooh, down to Bob. Down to Bob. Retest. Okay, let me quickly do this. 7. Let me make it 6 today. Let's check on the 5 minute. I mean, this is solid. This is a solid setup if it comes back up. Ooh, it is. If it comes back up. Has it tapped into anything major? Nah, it might just go further down. But I have 1, 2. No! Come back. Oh, don't come back. That's fine. That's rude. Whatever. See? At least I'm getting the confirmations from the higher time frames. I used to be really, really bad at that. Oh, the next thing. Bob level is your profit. But the end of Bob level? This is where we, you know, get that. Okie dokie. What the heck is going on? Oh, do we think we're going back to this imbalance? It could be going back to this imbalance. That could be a really... Nope. Okay, it's just running away. Run, run, run as fast as you can. Probability back with discipline and emotional control, which sadly is what I'm battling. Emotional control. Can you help a brother with advice? Ooh, ask deep? Sure. Scream into a pillow. No, I'm kidding. I'm not gonna lie. Emotional... To be fair, I struggle with it as well. So let's maybe ask community. Guys, what do you guys do for emotional control? I know someone yesterday mentioned meditation. I did acknowledge that I am absolutely useless at that. So yeah. Gosh, this is now taking all the sell side liquidity, you little... Anyways. Am I in the trade now? How do we get free data onto trading view if you were on Top Step? I don't know if you can, Sniper. Does Top Step... Who trades Top Step? Touch grass, meditate, there we go. But... Okay, wait, maybe the better... So ask D mentor, maybe the better question is... What in particular would the emotional control shoot? Okay. Cool guys are here. Dog's gonna try to eat them. Give me a second. Watch this. Run away. Okay. Okay. Sorry. He's my big, strong guard dog, but the problem is, damn, he can be loud sometimes. Monstrav, you say... It's long now. Oh my goodness. Yeah, Dom, and I did mention that I would not do that for a very specific reason. I don't know. Reputation for trading. You guys don't think so? You got this. Oh, thank you. Sorry, I'm just gonna have to talk over my dog. He's being a very good guard dog, but oh my gosh, he can be so loud. Okay, this has now taken out a bunch of sell-side liquidity. A plethora, if you will. How does this look on the 5-minute? Sure, it's right by that damn order block on the 5-minute. There is these. 15-minute. Said it did not just take out these two. Still hasn't tapped into here. I mean, look at this. Wow. Look at this volume imbalance on the 15-minute. Oh my goodness. There's a very keen point of interest over there. Okay. Robocop? What do Robocop say? And the fear is the log. Meditation for vague nerves, so we shouldn't like it did yesterday. Go on then. Watch it, wait, okay? Oh my gosh, Perry! Curious to see if this works. One, two, three. OTT, to be fair, I did see that you said that, and I did kind of, brush it off, because I was like... Bro, shush! Are we done? Are we done? Are we done? Nope, not done. There was it. So, Dom, you said that you are still in on the long. Oh, I thought you said that it had already taken you. I mean, short, not long, sorry. It's a no-no. ADHD would never let me be a position trader. Imagine waiting for price to hit yearly POC. It's oh, the sads. Oh no, Robocop, I wouldn't. Oh shit.
Nice.
Anyways. Let's do this. Bit of a rejection offer there. Still watching this. That was not an engulfing. That was not engulfing. That's not quite what I wanted to see there. I'm really trying to not do dumb things today, especially because it is NFP. As you get older, you get to take... Damn, what the heck, man? No FOMO today. I know, Robocop, that's what I'm really trying. I am really trying. That's why I'm trying so hard to sit and be patient, not jump in on things, wait for solid confirmations. Like, theoretically, yes, I could have taken that. I am aware. But I would have jumped in literally within the second of being into the 1 minute time frame without being able to go and get confirmation on the higher time frame. And I didn't want to do that because I've made that mistake before, and it was bad. Okay, OTT, what is it then? To be a reminder. And the only drug I have is... Would that be a... Wouldn't that just be a sad? Just a quick break. Let's continue to go down. If not, we close to 520. Ah, well, let's see here. This could be a nice determining factor. Like I said, below here is a solid volume imbalance. Could be going down towards that. It could now be stuck at the top level. It's the... Oh my goodness, periwinkle. Hey Gonza, what's up? How you doing? Do you trade the 1 hour? I'm 30, you feel the youth leaving your soul? Don't scare me, Debbie! I'm not 30 yet, but it's creeping up on me. It is... I say creeping, it's sprinting up on me. Standing on the struggle, the lack of trust of your A+ trade is indeed low probability. That's fair. Low-key how I've been recently, right? Well, not the lack of understanding, it's the lack of trust right now. Solidly. The lack of trust. But I don't even know if it's the lack of trust in my strategy. I really like my strategy. I've just been not trusting myself, which is such a huge problem, guys. It is such a big problem. It's something I really need to try and... I don't know. Maybe I do need to just go bash my... Where's the brain surgeon, dude? Hey, what's up, Henry? How you doing? SM is on there. Interesting. Good morning, good morning. These days, too many manipulations. Right on the thing, leaving your soul. No, guys, Guys, there's a bunch of young people here. You're scaring us. OTT, I vote that we just stop eating Perry. Pericle. Come here. I swear, every time he barks, I'm gonna say Perry and see if I can annoy him as much as he's annoying me. Perry. Perry. He doesn't know what to do. Perry. Perry. Hey, I won. Hello, what's up? Were you just being the best guard dog in the whole wide world? Did Maya just say scaring us like Maya one of us? Excuse me, I'm not 30 yet, OTT. Rude. What do you suffer lack of confidence? A grading system. If you see A+, take it, ignore the rest. OTT, the problem was, like, yesterday in New York session, it was A+, it had 5 confluences, and I chose to ignore the fact that it took out London High, and it got me, right? Yeah. It's fun. Oh, there's nice. Short, yummy. I beg to differ, I know damn well you pushing 40. Gonzo, he was barking at the pool, guys. Son, I'm not a teacher, but okay. 9K, how much you started with capital? No. You actually started with 50K, so I'm in drawdown. Not ashamed to admit that. Stuff happens. It is what it is. Might stop doing that, you might stop sounding like the dog. You want A+, doesn't mean it's gonna win, just a high probability. No, you're right. I just have to get out of my head. OTT, if you have some magic woo-woo to get the overthinking out of my head, that would be amazing. Please and thanks. Okay? Just saying. Oh, come on, Samuel. Come on. You could have done us all a favor. Right now. Lobotomy. I know that's not legal anymore, but I'm sure you would know how to do it. That's okay. I won't tell. What am I trading? What's up, Mike the Life in Gaming? I'm trading Nasdaq futures. It's simple. I would charge you for this, but wow. Wow. Okay. Well, seeming as we are. Let's wait until 11. Let's give this an hour of this bad boy. Trading is what we deny to admit. Wait, what? It's called taking the setup, a secret sauce. You should charge for that, OTT. That is ridiculous. You should not give that juicy stuff away for free. Ooh, okay, Gonzo, let's see. What's up, Simplify? How are you doing? Good rejection from ARL. Did create a volume imbalance on ES. ES looks like it's going back up to VWAP. That's not an A+ setup for me. Nothing here is A+. That would have been A+, but I did not take that. That's fine. Because it did just take out a bunch of sell side liquidity. We're starting great, but it's okay. Let's carry on. No, right? Damn, y'all are welcome. Cheesecake with sweet hot sauce. Harry. What is the... Oh my gosh, I wish I had filmed that. That was the funniest thing that he has ever done. He was walking away barking and I said, Perry, and he kind of stopped. Do you know when dogs look at you with like, what? I was like, oh. My bad. My bad. He now left the room. Oh, I upset my dog. Okay. I feel like I need to go apologize. That was a really good rejection off of the ES volume imbalance. Let's see if this now continues jumping higher. I get 1, 2, 3. How I feel. Go further up. Okay, wait. Oh, it's your fault. Okay, give me 2 seconds. Am I gonna hate myself for this? Probably. No, thank heavens. I would have hated the charts for that one. Okay. Let's see. Now, tapped into VWAP on ES. Basically VWAP same time. Let's see what happens here. Carry the platform. Rough. Feels like break and retest or just shaking the week. OTT, how are you doing? There we go, I got you. What is ES? S&P 500. NQ and ES, well, ES tends to drive NQ, so it's good to have them both open and you can kind of watch and see any SMTs that are created, try and see what might be happening next depending on what ES is doing. Because again, ES tends to drive NQ, or vice versa. Debates about the vice versa thing. Let's not get into that one. Are you a long-term winner? Raz, what's up? I use market auction theory mixed with ICT and SMC confluences. OTT, I'm good. I'm good. Low-key a little bit frustrated, but we continue. Okay, let's see what this offers us here. Back to midnight open. This could be a decent offering of the charts, if you will. That sounds weird, but we're gonna continue like I'm not a weirdo. Going up. Just don't like that VWAP is there. Okay, well, definite SMT now created, but it does show that the bulls have definitely come to play. I'm strong taking rejection like it. Oh, Godhouse, you are hilarious. I said Godhouse just before anyone comes at me. I mumbled. I have Samuel, yeah. Hey, soldier boy, I love it. Okay, into midnight opening range. It kind of got stuck there earlier. Do you think this could be a solid retest right now? Goes below here though. You see something on ES? No, also did not take it there. Let's see. No, in Kalule I do not. Sweet and simply, my entry is 50% of the range. It's that sweet and simple. Try not to overcomplicate it too much. Katlejo, what's up? Damn, I put me on, I want to grow my account. What account's that? Oh, I see that it is now indeed Unhinged Friday. That's where we are at. It is the Unhinged Friday today. Noted, noted. You went almost 2% drawdown. When? Over the past 2 weeks? Yeah. Yeah, OTT? Did you have the accent in your head when you read that? Please say you did, because I did. Not even gonna try. Whoopsie daisies. I'm not even gonna try recreating the accent because I know I will butcher it solidly. Just saying. Okay, but point is, I got the accent. I could feel it in my bones. Cool. As we were crossing, get in fast and get out fast. Business account. What do you mean put you on then? I'm so confused, Kaklejo. Explain. New point short and hey! V79X, that's awesome. Thank you, thank you. I was just like, what? A whiff. I'm gonna say this actually could be the better range, but it's just hit this resistance zone. Oh, the overthinking needs to stop. Gosh. It's very interesting to listen to different perspectives. So I actually then spoke to Iris. Like I said, I hopped on Iris's live earlier. And I actually said, my issue 100% is overthinking. I'm aware that it's my issue. I overthink 8+ setups and do not take them, and then they win, and then I get frustrated, and then I take the next one. And it doesn't work because I just jump into it, because then I almost... Would you call it revenge trading? I guess you revenge trading the fact that you didn't take your setup. Would it be revenge trading? I don't know if you would consider that revenge trading or not. Thanks, OTT. That's what gave it away. Not bad, I just went 2% yesterday. Ah, amazing. Let's do this, fam. Anyways, I love nature, like... See my a lot of concepts you using midnight open, and now you hesitate on the trade. Yeah, because though, to be fair, so here guess 1, 2, shoot. But I made that mistake before where it didn't retrace to the 50%, so when it doesn't retrace 50% on the previous range, follow the range because it's most likely gonna come back and hit the 50%. It's what I'm waiting for it to do. That is from backtesting. Just before you come at me, that is from backtesting. Do I look at ES chart? I don't even open it. I do. ES is actually right here on the side. I'm watching it right now as we speak. Write down what concepts you use and stick to those only. Oh, thank heavens, David. Yet. Anyways. Revenge or form of FOMO? I'm not actually sure. Go short, inverted fair value gap respected. Father of the house has said attention in the zone. Excuse me, is my your name or your student's name? My student's name? What do you mean my student's name? Leox, I am Maya. What is up? Is that the fib? Is that the fib? No, well, it's a GAN box, actually. See, I can be romantic. I don't do myself not really bragging. Like, I couldn't show if I need me. The trick I try when overthinking, I'll hold a rock very tightly until it hurts, then I let it go and align my thoughts to the rock. Do you think it would work with positive penguin? I'll just drop him. Oh, but then I feel bad because he's cute as heck. I don't have a rock. Oh, shells! I can squeeze a shell. I hear what you're saying. That's actually quite a nice, like, psychology trick. I revenge traded yesterday, went 2% drawdown. I think I have to focus on loss limit like you instead of targets. Right. Have a loss limit, not a profit limit. Have a loss limit. And I guess rather when you're in profit, call it. Obviously depending on the day, but you don't want to give back. Maybe if you're in profit, then you downsize to make sure that even if it's a loss, you still stay in profit for that day. Yes, me and Mary Jacob Weaver. I was the same with Midnight Open. Don't use it anymore. Just daily EQ for just premium and discount. Even if price shows reduction, I would take the trade still. It's just gonna be 8 here. Interesting. Okay, I'm going to find some re-entries. Maya doesn't listen to real advice. Just tell her don't trade with when Mercury is retrograde, and she'd probably write it down. Oh, Solly. Oh, Solly. Solly. This close to putting you on a timeout. This close. This close to putting you on a timeout. Believe me, OTT can... I listen to OTT really, really well. Believe me. Maybe I just don't listen to you, Solly. Maybe that's why you're getting all offended over here. England is cute. Yeah, I don't mean to be that guy, but why are you saying Maya and why are you coming at me all aggressive? Like, damn, what did I do? Shoot, man. Please, guys, please. I'm trying to not let the sass come out today like I did the other day. Oh, so difficult. Oh, so difficult. Okay, tell me, what is the best strategy ever? I am all ears. Leox, or is it Leo X? Yeah, there we go. Shelton wants to know as well. I would never put Solly into a timeout. I was this close. Calm down, babe. Oh, you. Oh, and David is going on the list of people that are going in timeouts. Goodness. Oh, you're playing it very safe. If it reaches your entry level, make sure it passes that fair value gap there and retest it to go towards short. See, Pillow, I would be looking for a long here. Wait, actually, what's the time? Okay, 5 minutes to go until 4. Which means it is going to go below, which means, yes, the likelihood of it taking out the lows is a higher possibility. It did solidly tap into this range. 1, 2. That's decent. Retest that fair value gap. That's just not big enough, or else I would have actually no keen on taking that.
That's what she said.
At open range? Not open. Oh, open. Yeah. Kind of open range here. Sorry, I thought you meant like daily opening range. I was like, no, that's over. That's below. That's still further down. Hey, Hammer, what's up? This is my last I should have put break even. Soldier Boy, have a rule for break even. I have a rule for break even. Didn't like how weak we swept the Asia session, hoping to see another strong sweep. Actually, just said the next bit in words. Someone put this inline trade. What did he say? Where is he? What did he say? sorry, that was rude. That was mean. That was very mean, I'm so sorry. The Bob levels at Asia low. Thank God House missed you. He missed you a lot. Now let's hop into that re-entry. Didn't like that. That's pretty keen. That's not bad. 1, 2, 3. This is not bad. Right. To the full range, then that's better. Happening right over here. Shorty short. Right back down, except for that wick over there, but this is not bad. Stop it. Take a higher time frame now. Sorry, I'm talking to myself, as you know, normal people do, right? Anyways, 1, 2, 3. Needed to retest into here. Real decent doji over there. It's gonna go low. It's gonna go. No! Come get me, you bugger! What time is it? How are we looking time-wise? Okay, we have a minute until 4. Let's see what this does at 4 AM. Minute until 4. 3. Just need a little more of a gap over there. Not taking out that short yet. 16 seconds left. You guys are so weird. Sorry, now and then I can see what you guys are saying in the chat and I'm just like, okay. Alrighty then. Okay. Hasn't tapped into there yet. Solid if it retested there first. Come on. No. Maybe. Okay. Maybe we trade as risk. It's what we do. Oh gosh. Okay, well. Gonna stop overthinking. It's there. It's an A+. Leave it alone. Soldier boy, don't further. This is not fun. That's what I have checked. Even the higher time frames. It's solid over here on the higher time frames. We've created lower low. Da, 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 da. Be nice to see it continue down. We do have the shelves and. That's good. On the 15-minute. How does it look? No! Why did you not go and tag me in first, you little booger? Hoe komt ze hier die doen? Je blokt hem. No! No! Stop that. It's just running away without me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Oh, crying out loud, that's why. Having a mini meltdown about that. Okay. Got our 3 confluences right there. Awesome source. It's struggling to break above, so that's cool. Definitely not 9. 7. 6. Let's make it 6. Set the sell. Well, that's the confirmation that bears are definitely in play right now, so that's cool. Had to run away first, a little bit. Well, we can't say I didn't place the order. Can't say we didn't try to get in there. It just ran away without me. Comes to retest that level, that could actually be quite nice. Again, the if it comes to retest that level, it could be quite nice. Into there, into there. Let's try this one last time. 5. One, two. The only problem is there. Two shells. This is starting to look a little. No, they gotta get 3. Okay, 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 okay. Yesterday, London reversed and New York continued yesterday. Okay. It's sprinting to take out the lows now. Just have to sprint. David, are you a little bit salty? I'll be threatening to put you in timeout. Oh, I nearly said something very, very cheeky, and I was like, don't do that. Don't do that. This is just gonna run away without me. Yeah, this is just running away without me. I expected quite a decent rejection off of this. There's a huge volume imbalance over here on the 15-minute. Let's see how it reacts there. Taking this trade would have been from where your stop loss is. So taken there. Okay, like which signals, fellow? Go on, OTT, say it. Make sure everyone hears you. Did again, I missed it. Oh gosh. You missed. What do you mean I missed? It just didn't come back to get me. There's a difference. I missed nothing. Oh, I nearly swore. It's fine. The second entry is where I said the fair value gap retest was. Okay. What time is it? What's up, Angel? It is 11:06. Are you familiar with premium and discount? Yes. Hence the whole market auction theory. Hot girl dance, little cutie guys. I love you, David. I'm single. Damn. Okay. Okay, a little rejection off of that volume imbalance over there. Now I'm overthinking it because it's a little bit overextended, but this trade is still in play. It is literally still in play to come and take out the lows. Don't try catch a falling knife though, but that's what I'm gonna mitigate. So 1, 2, 3, got those there. Not ideal that it's below the order block though, but if it takes out this, it could still continue to go further back down. It's right by those lows, which is awesome, and it's right by this. Again, is it gonna go that high? Let's see. I'm also single, by the way. You can say you love me too. Wow. What am I busy witnessing right now? zone, entering short zone to top level. Might want to test the 25 again. That 25 level is honestly the biggest pain in the butt in the world right now, but it's fine. I'm good being single. I just want money right now. Old God house, I hear you. I hear you. You're finishing this morning. I must be doing something wrong. Is it because I don't have a pink Bugatti? Obviously, OTT, be better. Gosh. Who doesn't want a guy? No. Who wants... No, I butchered that. Never mind. Who wants a guy that doesn't have a pink Bugatti? When did this channel become Dateline? When did this channel become Dateline? Seriously? Oh, so many questions. It's a pity this was not A+, because that would have been pretty solid, but it's okay. And down we go. Okay, just didn't come to get me. Just took out this sell-side liquidity. This could be continuing further down. Just took that out. How's this look on the higher time frame? What have we got here? Nothing crazy until just before. Okay. Let's see if this is going to be A+ here. With these wicks and oh, the only problem is it's gonna tap into my point of interest before it comes back. Shoot. Because that would be quite yep, okay, no, tapped into my point of interest, so there goes that plan. My point of interest on the 15-minute, this is a massive volume imbalance. Here on the 1 minute, this is the volume imbalance, right by open, market open. Now we can see it pull back up, yep. I have rigid textbook setups. Interesting. Oh, cheers, Mr. Cat. What are you done now? What did I... So I'm just...
Why are you doing this? Why are you even thinking this way?
What is going on today? This... I literally... What the heck? I didn't look at the chat for like not even 5 minutes. I come back and it's weird. What is happening? Just having some fun. I'm terrified. I don't know about you, but I'm a little bit scared. I think Hot Girl Dance could come and try to take me out in the night while I'm sleeping. Anyways. Cheers, Mr. Chaos. If I'm not here on Monday, it's because Hot Girl Dance found out where I live and that end of story. Anyways, okay. Should I be scared? Maybe we need to start a poll of should I be terrified right now, because I'm starting to think yes. Anyways. Moving on. Wow. Today, go review this missed trade at the point of interest on top. There are multiple fair value gaps. I'll point into it. What time frame are you on, Pillow? Maybe let's start with that question. No, you could be by. Wow. Not really? You don't think so? Did he ban? if you didn't do it already. Oh, Mr. Chaos, I have. Oh my gosh. Okay, I have. I have so many questions. So many questions. You're on the 1 minute. Yes. Do you have expectation for where the price is at if you're confident you'll find entry opportunity based on clear signals and above? You know, to take over this trend. On top, there were multiple fair value gaps that got inverted and respected. Up here, you're talking about this. Yes? Don't mean to be that guy, but wait, huh? Unless I'm just being dumb and you have a different idea about what the fair value gaps are. I don't see tons of fair value gaps in this chaos. Are you talking further back? Are you talking about here? Like here, I guess there's this little one here. That's why you have got me solidly confused. There's this fair value gap here, this fair value gap here. That's not really a fair value gap. That's why you've solidly got me confused now, below. Let's go. Anyways. Okie dokie. This is not rejecting how I thought it would. I expected a solid rejection off of that volume imbalance. Like a solid one. This is not rejecting at all. It's retested. Oh. Okay, the buyers are stronger on ES currently. It kind of refactored here, but not properly. Going back above, this is solidly at that shelf, but it did just take out a bunch. A plethora, if you will. Asia low is still just below. It could potentially be going there. Maybe you're wrong. I mean, maybe. I'm very confused right now, but that's okay. My houses, would you like to full port and chill? What would the answer to that be? That is amazing. Are you trying to pick up some trading girls? Is that the plan? Is that what I'm understanding? Okie dokie. I do not know what's happening in the chat today. Everyone that's here, are you all just watching the chat and sipping tea and going, oh, the drama is happening? Because that's kind of where I'm at. I'm kind of here going... Because good grief. Would have missed here. I really expected more of a rejection off of this level. Very Valentine's gift would be a Tradeify account. I'm so romantic. Damn, we know you ain't cheap. Look at you go. I love it. Anyways, okay. Going down further. See, okay, so OTT, for example, like this, it did now tap into my point of interest where I expected a solid rejection, but this was an A+ setup. But it tapped into that point of interest where it should be rejecting solidly, so isn't it? Oh, I'm a mixed bag of not emotions today. Thoughts being too thoughty, which is very frustrating. Hey, Ghosty, none so far. I mean, to be fair, I've placed a few, but it didn't come and tag me in. I don't know if that counts. Maybe it counts. And you said it was going wrong. What made you think that? What with this? What time earlier? Hello? Okay, while you guys are having beef in the chat right now, I'm gonna do fun fact of the day because screw it, and I want to see if it respects this point of interest or not. So while I'm waiting for it to do that, let's go check out fun fact of the day. I have not seen it yet, so we're gonna learn a fun fact together. Okay. Candido Jacuzzi invented the jacuzzi, couldn't have guessed that, to provide pain relief for his 15-month-old son, Kenny Jacuzzi, who was born with rheumatoid arthritis. That's cool. I didn't know that. Did you guys know that is why the jacuzzi was invented? That's pretty cool. Okay. Also, 15-month-old son. That sucks. Sure, that sucks. Arthritis at 15 months old. Rough. Anyways, back to the charts. Fun fact of the day done. Bro's surname was Jacuzzi. I know. Well, I guess maybe back then it was normal, and now we go, oh, okay, now we know where that name came from. Oh, how they got the name Jacuzzi, because I mean, it's a bit of a weird... Okay, Asia Low has now just been taken. Just completely through that volume imbalance. Did it retest the 50% on ES? Nope, also missed it on ES. Dunzo, awesome sauce. Just called hourly gap. I'm only here for the fun fact. I knew it, Hammer. I knew it. Awesome sauce time. Rose surname was Jacuzzi. What the? Sorry? Did you know hot tub isn't the same as jacuzzi? Okay, Mikuava, what's the difference? Hey, Ural, what's up? How you doing? What do I trade? It's blurry. Let's see. Oh, good. Actual grief. I can't talk today. I can't, flipping, seriously. I can't talk, I can't type. I would suggest I just start doing sign language, but I would probably butcher that as well. Chords. I'm sorry, it's very powerful because it helped me with entries in the 50-minute and 1 minute. I've heard of the RSI. I have been, when I say thoroughly screamed at before for using that, literally. Yeah. This 5 minute actually does not look great. A little bit over here, a little bit over there. Awesome sauce. Fun fact, butterflies taste with their feet, but then why did they have a little nose thingy? RSI MACD is just too slow. Interesting. Jacuzzi is a brand name for everything. Southern Hot Tub is the actual product, so there's all called Jacuzzi. But Jacuzzi invented Jacuzzi. See, now I'm confused. Make a lot. I have a buddy who trades purely off of RSI news. Damn. Hey, Saray, bye. Well, trend is friend until it's not, right? And right now it is still trending down, down, down. Probably rejection off of there would have been better to see it come back into that one. Which it Did not do. How does a 15-minute look? Okay, I feel like that answered that enough. Came back to retest basically at the 0 level. That could be a solid shout for a continuation short. Back into the new weekly opening gap. It's still just going down. I saw that. Okay. The fun fact, what three? Why you gotta come with negativity? We were talking about butterflies and jacuzzis. You know, sugar and spice and everything nice, and now you just went and added the little unnecessary... Oh, not all hot tubs are made by him. Okay, lazy spa, not the lazy jacuzzi. That's true. Fun fact, I thought how can... Possible short if it touches 0.5. Soldier Boy, it's... Potentially, it just didn't retrace high enough with this whole range. It kind of dropped too quickly. I know that's a weird thing to say, but it did kind of drop just too quickly. It'd be nice to see it go bob to bob level, but is it gonna go bob to bob level? Potentially not. I'm trading gold. No, RW trading in Nasdaq futures. Hey! Is it vegan? Or vegan? No, I have not made any trade in the last hour. What's up? How can I help you? Oh, thanks, Pillow. I appreciate it. Mikuave, I don't even know who that is, and I don't think I want to know who that is. On the right side, volatility of the markets. Eddie? I did half my daily target, and now we have no power. No! No! Is there load shedding again? Up that side, Hammer. Please say no. Please say no. Please say no. Please say no. Wow, this is just not retesting the 50% at all. Literally not retesting the 50% at all. Still going back down. Sugar honey iced tea, man. Of any level. If it drops another 100 points, I'll take a long. Oop, there it is. I might have to go put on a t-shirt. You know when you're getting uncomfortable and you want to like rip your own skin off? That's how I'm starting to feel. Which is not fun. Ugh. Okay, we're fine. Are we? We'll be okay. We'll be okay. Sorry, now I'm being a little bit quiet today. It's Friday, guys. It's Friday. Thank heavens. Wow, it's been a long week. Holy moly, it's been a long week. Looking for an entry around 886. Damn, you think it's gonna drop all the way down to 886? Interesting. Who is Gary? I actually feel like maybe I shouldn't say it. What am I trading in? Nasdaq. Okay, give me 2 seconds. I am actually gonna rip the skin off my body. I need to go and put a shirt on, like a short sleeve shirt, because I'm this close. Just losing it. I will be right back. Keep watching the charts, me. This whole drama that's going on. Soldier Boy Discord link is in the description below. I'll be right back. Kind of do now though. Can you see that big unmitigated fair value gap in this run sitting below? Yeah. This massive one here? Or are you talking about further up? Because I mean, there's also this freaking massive value gap that was not... Okay, okay. Give me 2 seconds so that I do not rip my hair out. This looks like it's going to tap back into the new weekly opening gap. Okay. Okay. There we go. Now I do not feel like ripping the skin off of my body. So we good. She turned her back on us again. I would never do that. Okay, back to the charts we go. So Pillow, did Pillow respond? Pillow? I'm just flipping. Funny. I was eyeing 890. Oh. Oh, healing feeling, what's up? I feel so much better now. Wow. Okay. Now we're ready for this. Now I might actually find my personality. Let's do this. Okay, so tapped into Bob level right there. So that was a solid Bob to Bob level. Didn't retest anything that I wanted to see it retest. This has created no fair value gaps for me either. So that's not A+. I mean, this full run, technically, wouldn't be the worst thing. You left us alone with the markets. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. So, yes. Well, not technically here. So this fair value gap, this break of structure here. There's the change of character. This one at break of structure right by that volume imbalance. Ah, so much better. So much better. Okay, I'm not even gonna get involved with whatever's happening there. This is a solid rejection to start off with. But are you talking about this one, Pillow? Because here's change of character. And here's then break of structure for the continuation. No expectations now, see where price reverses to. Okay. Okay, Pillow, I am genuinely trying to understand and learn what you are trying to show me. Okay, so that's why I'm very curious why I keep bugging you. There are now 2. Let's see where it goes. So you're saying it could either potentially go to this one or back up to this one just below this order block on the 1 minute, correct? Correct me if I'm wrong. That's what I'm understanding you were potentially saying. See guys, every day is a learning curve. Man alive. This could just keep going down. I wanted to do something. Soldier Boy, was that a threat? That felt like a threat. Oh gosh. Yes, okay, cool. Maybe in New York. Yeah, let's see, Jose. It looks like it's retesting this level, which means it could now potentially go back up. So, okay, Pillow, in this instant, right, this is where I could get yelled at, where you have expectations for it to go up to either 1 or 2. Could you potentially take a long to 1 or 2? I guess probably 1, right? Safety-wise. Hey, Stealthy, looks like you're close to blowing that account. No, not really. I still have, like, $1,000. So, halfway through, I guess. Also, it was worse, so technically I'm better than I was. Self 5. Anyways. I really did. I was just uncomfortable. Gosh, it's not a good thing that clothing makes me lose all forms of personality, is it? Anyways. I now feel better. I don't feel so sassy just because I changed my shirt. Let's not read too deep into that. Yes, some folks trade that way. What about you, Pillow? What do you think about trading that way?
Why are you doing this? Why are you even thinking this way?
Sells, but oh no, Ethan! Don't worry. I missed a sell opportunity right at the tippy top, and that's fine. It happens. Rather a missed trade than FOMO, right? But it's dangerous when it becomes inducement. Valid, valid, valid. Okay, okay. Stealthy, what account do I have? This is my funded account. Or are you asking 50k? Sorry, 50k funded account. You'll be grabbing your seat. It'll create this.
Emotional damage!
Kinda like here, right? I like that. See, but now here another fair value gap has been created. It's just not retesting anything. Man. Hey! Fulati, what's up? What do I trade? I trade the Nasdaq futures. How you doing? Oh, wait, I jumped the gun a little bit too soon. It hasn't created a fair value gap just yet. Like I said, maybe rushed into that conclusion a tad bit. See, today would be a bob to bob day. Bob to bob. And then bob to bob. Okay, I guess a bit of a slow bob to bob day, but still a bob to bob day. Wait, Pillow, do you even look at the higher time frames or not really? Out of curiosity. Making this too complex, but sorry, I was just quickly journaling. You see me pause to type, it's because I'm just typing some things into the journal. Sometimes a runaway run would bring big money later. 15 or 5 minute. Make sure break of structure is valid. I'm assuming that was only supposed to have one S, right? 40 points for my level. Let's see if we get there. It's heading there. There's no doubt about it. It's definitely heading there. It is back into the damn new weekly opening gap. This thing has been tested, I think, every single, well, not every, nearly every single day this week. Nearly every single day this week, this new weekly opening gap has been retested. This is insane. I'm still 15 minutes to get there. David, that's hilarious. Oh, Stealthy, a while. I'm not even going to deny that. Oh wow, but I haven't blown this account in over 6 months. You mean the prop throw, Pilati? I'm currently trading with top 1 futures. If that was that what you meant? Was that the question you were asking? Yes, no, maybe. Apologies if that was not the question you were asking. Let's do this thing. Literally only retested there, but that didn't go high enough to get me in. Took that setup, didn't come get me. That didn't come back up to get me. That didn't retest the 50% either. Did it? No, it didn't. This didn't retest 50%. That invalid. This just going. Oh my gosh. A bit of a crazy run right now. Anyways. You're pretty good. Thanks, Jose. I appreciate that. Some people might argue that I took too long to pass, which you're not wrong. I think I did. I was on the eval for a while, but I had to figure out a lot. Chicken later, going to church now. Oh, enjoy pill on a Friday. Is that normal? What? Church on a Friday? Is that a thing? Anyways, moving on. Power's back on. Let's go lose some money. Hammer, no. But that was also kind of funny. So, you get.
Nice.
Power back. I mean, we should request for the apology. Hey, Morgiver, what's up? Pass is a pass. Thanks, Cambam. I appreciate that. You haven't blown any account. Oh, stole you. Yeah, I have. I've been trading for. I blew accounts in the beginning because I was strategy hopping. For like the first what, 4 or 5 months. I think I blew like 4 or 5 accounts. Yeah, around 4 or 5 accounts. Oh, Debbie, you're still here. What's up? You've just been like sipping tea, watching the drama. I get it. Hey, Morgan, I'm good. How you doing? Hey, Batik. I spent 350 ticks this morning. What the? Whoop whoop. That is amazing. What on earth? Whoop whoop. Actually, whoop whoop for anyone that's had a winning trade. I apologize. Like I said, I've now found my personality because I'm in a better shirt. The other one was irritating me. I now feel like I can breathe a little bit. So, I found my personality again. Hi. I'm sorry. Hey, Tyler, what's up? How you doing? Theoretically, I had 1 missed trade this morning. And that theoretically was it. Everything else, this was not a plus. This just kind of ran away. Nothing retested the 50%. So in all fairness, I've actually only missed 1 trade, and I missed it because it rocked up almost as I looked at the 1 minute, and I didn't have enough time to go and get confirmation from the higher time frame. So that's the reason I missed that setup, which is fine. Rather miss it than jump in because you have the fear of missing a trade, right? There's always going to be another trade, but you are limited to capital drawdown, whatever you want to call it. Whatever floats your boat, right? Whoop for you as well. Oh, thanks, Dom, but Wait, Eddie, I can't whoop whoop. I'm in the naughty corner. What did you do, Eddie? Oh goodness, am I profitable? No, I wouldn't call myself profitable just yet, but I am on a funded account, if that counts. Did you see some new figure up there? What do you mean? Amazing things? Which figure? I feel like I've missed some major context, so I don't really know why, how it's got to try. Oh, good grief, Debbie. Neither do I. Hey, Chopsby Trading! How's Texas treating you today? How are you? Money missed is not money lost. Exactly. Oh, you're amazing. What ICT videos would you recommend? 2022 is pretty decent. Hope that answered that. Yeah. Oh, bye. I don't want to sound like a fangirl, but I thought it was cool. I know ICT was here yesterday. That was pretty cool. I wasn't expecting that. He sent a smiley face. I don't know what that means, but anyways. Oh, back to this we go. That's... I mean, that is an itty bitty fair value gap. Broke below, but now struggling. Look at these wicks. Like I said, I'm trying to be better at reading price action with regards to wicks. I'm still not great, I'm not gonna lie. It's not my strong suit. And thanks for the idea to save trades in a Discord. This is a simple and cool journaling. Literally. Just screen grab every trade you take. On it, put maybe, you know, why it was successful, why you took it. I'm not always the best at doing that. Not gonna lie. If money was not a problem, what's your dream? Nate, 24, I appreciate that. I'm 27, turning 28 this year. Anyways, oh, 30 is coming quickly. So if money was not a problem, what's my dream life? Oh, actually, it's quite simple, except it might be sad, but my dream life would probably be having like an animal rescue. Yeah. Like opening up an animal shelter, but it's a no euthanasia one. Problem is you need obviously a lot of money to do that, because that can be very expensive very quickly with all the things you gotta do to get that going. Do you ever try FTMO funded next? I have not. No. Also, I don't think we get FTMO here in South Africa. We go up because we have a lot of stop losses there. I mean, I can see some profit better than when I last saw it. Yay! I'm glad. Yeah. It's hard to read wicks unless you go out for the past 30 days. Really? You think 30 days? Why 30 days? Do you think they just have more information, I guess, in them? Plus 28-year-olds and... Oh, goodness! Tyler, me and you are just twins, let's just be real. Horses and Ferraris, easy. To be fair, I don't know if I would want a Ferrari. In South Africa, there's potholes everywhere. That Ferrari hits one pothole and it's... So, you know, buckies or pickups, whatever you want to call it. In South Africa, probably the way to go. You just have to be able to afford the petrol for them. Because, holy damn, it's expensive. But I thought you were older than me. I'm 29. Don't worry, I get that. People actually think, so I do have a sister. People think I am the older sibling. I just take it as I'm just more mature because my sister's very annoying. But it's okay. Damn! Damn, NQ, calm down. Again, this one didn't even pretend to try and retest the 50% of this little range here. What in the good grief? Ooh, bub to bub. Everyone's waiting for the buys to start coming in. I feel like that's why NQ's going, it's like... how much trading do I do in one day? Well, hours? I do around 5 to 6 hours, depending on the day. How many trades do I take in that time, though? Depends on the day. Sometimes none. Sometimes I could take, like, 3 or 4. Seriously depends on the day and the price action that is presented to me. When do you provide your analysis of the market and its conditions? Stealthy. I do a top to bottom analysis when I hop on, if that's what you're asking. Rodrigo, no, I did not. Happy Friday, some guy. How are you? You need Pathfinderness and... Oh, there we go. Why do I like trading on the 1 minute? Sweet and simply, because as you can tell, my attention is all over the place. So the 1 minute just kind of I know it's weird because everyone says the 1 minute is very noisy. It almost keeps my attention a little bit more. Guys, if you think I talk a lot now, can you imagine if I was on the 5 minute? I would be losing my mind. Because I'd be like, ugh, just move. Yeah. This feels very intentional. Do you think this could just try to be getting the sellers to hop in before it comes and takes out all the stop losses? I mean, I was low-key tempted. Would this have even... never mind. I got 1, 2, not quite A+. This is a B setup for me. Look at that wick as well. I know you don't get the most information on... Okay, tapped into that volume imbalance on ES. I didn't see that volume imbalance on ES. Not enough rejection off of it though. It's going to retest it. Oh, sorry, so you can see what I'm looking at. There's volume imbalance here. You can see it tapped into it. Did reject, but it's not... Never mind, I take it back. That was better. Look at this B setup go. Go, little cupcake, go. Hammer! How dare you? Why do you not like horses? What is wrong? No, I'm kidding. Nailed that entry. I trade 15 minutes of water. Oh gosh. Oh, it was good night. I have the buying opportunities when I drop the ball that analysis, the ball I'm comfortable with taking the trade. I wait till the 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minutes starts to align though. Yeah. Oh, so use the 3 minute as well. I have been looking at the 5 minute and the 15 minute. I have not checked the 3 minute. Is the 3 minute really well respected? Or me? I've heard mixed reviews. I've heard quite a few people say that the 3 minutes actually pretty solid, and I've also heard people say 3 minute what? Who? Why? You know. You thought I was from the US? Nah, South African! All the way! I think this is people getting out of positions due to uncertainty created from last week's news. Safe to say, often to gamble over the weekend. I mean, David, see, that's not... Sorry, brain malfunction. What I was gonna say is, that's pretty true, that's valid. Do I trade micros and minis? Just micros. So stealth, I'm still new at trading. I haven't even been trading for a year. Mother fluffer. Why did this B setup work so well? Okay, well, it's not over until it's over, right? Let's see. What am I trading? Trading Nasdaq futures for anyone that's just hopped on. What's up? Because I broke horses. That is so cool, though. Can I just say? Where are you from? We all being played? That you just have horses running in the roads. I really like the 3 minutes. That's... If I make it, you owe me a... Make what? Wait. Soldier Boy, what did I just miss? What am I agreeing to or not agreeing to right now? Do I trade? No, I trade just the Nasdaq futures for now. It'll be disrespected, honestly. Just watch me if you can, if I could. I'm from Morocco, North Africa. That's cool. What's up? I like 3, 6, 12, 24, 48. Is it just because it kind of goes in order? No? Times that are divisible by 6. That's 60 minutes in an hour. Interesting. Literally, I saw that pattern instantly. I was like, wait a second. What is a bearish SMT? Are you asking genuinely, or are you like trying to... I don't know. Although extremely good traders, I could never make those time frames make sense personally though. Interesting. East of London. East of London? It's just horses running around. Ooh, double bottom. This is a potential double bottom. Let's see what we get here. This could be a potential reversal. Let's see. Potential reversal incoming. Never mind. Oh, sorry, it's not off of Traderify, it's off of Bullanox. Sorry, no, Bullanox is a little bit in the dark over there. So 75% off Bullanox. Traderify has a 30% discount currently. But oh shoot, I forgot to add it. Oh, my bad. Here we go. Affiliate code, if you want the discounts going on currently, is Teachmaya, all caps, no gaps. There we go. If anyone wants some discounts, more than welcome to. If you're new, just make sure you're actually ready to get a prop room. Don't just hop in on that. NQ has gone local. Watch oil and gold. Tyler, what's oil and gold doing right now? Here we go. Bottom, let's see, 1, 2, 3. Or you want to see go a little bit higher than a potential for it to come back and go back up. Okay. So, okay. Jackie Brown, I'm betting this is the bottom. Jackie, where did you put your TP to? Because you're in this now, right? Jack, what's the indicator? Which indicator? This here that I have open right now. This is not really an indicator. This is just a GAN box. So, Jackie Brown, you are betting this is the bottom. You trade with ICT, SMC, or what? I actually market auction theory using ICT and SMC confluences. My stop loss is 24881. Did you just set a trade now? Hey, William. Why? It's London session. I'm back for New York session, but yeah. Stealthy, why what? I was out at 9:15, in at 8:85. I'm at work and can't constantly watch. No, Jackie, sorry. Am I profitable? Well, I got a funded account. I wouldn't call myself profitable just yet, though. But I'm not funded. Someone long, let's see, got a buy. Ooh, nice, okay. If it's a reversal, I wait for the stop hunt, especially during UK market. Like I said, let's see, it's tapped into that volume imbalance again on ES. You would want to see it actually solidly start to break above here if it is going to be... I think it could be the reversal. Do you think this is now just coming back to retest this damn 50% range? Like I said, this here, technically it happened here, 50% of this range right there below. Let's see. No, I'm gonna leave that up out of curiosity. Deepa, the key levels, what do they depict? Which key levels? My level stacking indicating that this could be the bottom. After that long run down, it's likely this is coming back up. Provide an example of an ICT and SMC confluence. Sure, fair value gap. Done. Order block. Fair value gap, order block. I also use VWAP as well as volume imbalances. Liquidity sweeps as well, but that's more for my point of interest rather than anything else. So I do especially love the first presented fair value gap, specifically, well, during the New York session. Also got in this trade when I saw it bottom. It's more this. Wait for the retest, the 21-day EMA. Then go. You're gonna go to bed. Oh my gosh, you are a lot braver than I am. Am I using fibs? No, I'm actually using my GAN box. not a fib, actually. It is a GAN box. Value weighted average volume. Value weighted average. Sorry, sometimes I mix those up. So VWAP is Oh! English is leaving the building. It's Friday. You know what? Maybe I am AI, and just by Friday, it's all done. So here we go. VWAP is basically, it's the average, right? And it tends to be a bit of a magnet. Tends, not always, but it tends to be a little bit of a magnet. And price either rejects nicely off of it, just wants to keep going to it, depending. Where did I learn SMC? Good grief, Stealthy, you are full of questions, aren't you? I learned SMC from a friend that showed me the basics. I called the bottom. Am I in longs? No, not yet. It's 4 a.m. here. It's 4 a.m. Good grief, yeah, I'll go to bed. Can you explain a GAN box? What is it used for? So I specifically use it for market auction theory. That's my main trading style. So I use it to see where the 50% level is, and I mark out where I'm going to place my stop loss and my TP. To use this confirmation that you should take the trade no structure shift, so just unsure what trigger get into a trade there. Let's ask, guys. So some guys asking, the people who have long this, curious as what you use as confirmation that you should take the trade. No structure shift, so just unsure what would trigger you to get into a trade here. Damn it, what's volume? I kept thinking value. Sugar honey iced tea. Thanks, Eddie. 21-day MA also loosely follows VWAP. Oh, thanks. This is not a pair. This is the Nasdaq futures, and I'm on the 1 minute. Trapping some buyers there probably. Let's see. You're welcome, Baba. I saw the double bottom as well, and I was like, ah. But that's basically it. After a good trading day, explain the feeling. Are you asking me to explain the feeling, or are you kind of asking anyone in general right now? What's up, love? Also, hey, Thumper. How you doing? Sorry, I don't even know if I said hi to you. How are you doing, Thumper? I want to say long time no see, but that's a little bit of black. Hope you're doing amazing. Okay, no setup for me here, so I'm waiting for my setup. Patience is a pain in the butt. So the double bottom didn't sweep any liquidity though, so it's likely to end up being recovered at some point, making the long a lower probability trade. However, trades come from a moment. Tyler saying moment or momentum and earnings. It's easy to make money, but it isn't easy to sustain it. John lies. Lies what? What are we lying about? As it left liquidity behind instead of sweeping liquidity. Oh, Chris, sorry. I see. I must actually make it a little bit better. The 75% off is not for Traderify, it's for Violinox. Okay, Violinox is 75% off. Traderify just has 30% off all accounts right now. What confirmations are you waiting for, please? Oh, for an Bernard. I feel like I butchered that. Well, with regards, well, I'm actually just waiting for my A+ setup, but I need 3 confluences or more, so I need a fair value gap, which I have not gotten. Fair value gap, order block, a shelf. I forgot about my shelves. I keep forgetting about my poor shelves. Fair value gap, order block, shelves, volume imbalance. It's a little bit of a volume balance on ES, but that's it. It has also tapped into this volume profile over here. I needed to either get in between or break above the next volume profile. So those. Not nitpicking at anyone who took it hoping you get paid, just trying to understand the entry criteria. You're welcome. I got you. I have some pivot points that align there at... Okay, so Shaki Brown said he had some pivot points that aligned there at 886. That's why I took the long. The volume bounce just made me 5k. What, Tyler? What the heck, man? That's awesome. Well done. Look at you go, Cupcake. To be BISI is all great to me. Stealthy, how long have you been trading for? Debbie, yeah. Potentially. Don't want to do it because I know people are going to be nasty. I can tell you for a fact. But, you know, it's a simple strategy. And right now for me that loves to overthink things, simple's the way to go. Okay, here we go. We've got some oomph to this. That's something. So price action, the trend is your friend, and if not, I'm at break even, so free trade. Oh, there we go, awesome. Whoop whoop then. A free trade, I like that. So when you move to break even, do you take into consider... Oh my gosh! Okay, let's try that again. Do you take into consideration commissions? There we go. Goodness gracious me. I have 200 right now on long. Nice, I have more than enough to buy another rental property, and I'm only 20. Look at you. Soldier Boy, too soon? For me? How long have I been trading for? 11 months. Okay, wait, Perry's barking at things again. English has left my... No, you know what? It's... crazy. You know when everything is just there on the tip of your tongue and it's just not happening. That's... Wait. No, it's not A+. I was keen. This may have been good. Let's see what this looks like on the 5-minute. Wanted to actually go see what Perry was barking at, but I can leave it. There's a little bit of a shelf there. It did tap into this bit of a fair value gap, but I would want to see it go up higher to that 50% over there. Okay. Give me 2 seconds to see what Perry's barking at. It's okay. I'm coming. I don't know if you heard that woof. That was him yelling at me. Okie dokie, I see. I missed nothing. Hey, Josh me boy, do I have a full beginner guide? I'm really struggling to understand. Josh me boy, do you have Discord? Cheers, some guy. Enjoy. I want to enter short, but holding that urge. Ooh. Because I've had coffee. Maybe that's the problem. Maybe I've had too much coffee and my brain is just working faster than my mouth can keep up with. That happens sometimes. I'd have been able to stay in. I'd take profit at 960 and leave runners to... Damn, it would have been a really good one if you did. really have a clue what the market is really doing. Damn, Thumper. Oh, yeah, literally, damn. Who's your favorite teachers? Has anyone taken you up in teaching you trading? What are your thoughts about the gurus? Yeah, okay. So, when it comes to like gurus and things, it's... Okay, so for anyone that's new here, right? For anyone that's new, that's curious about everything. Sorry for everyone that's heard this whole spiel like 50,000 times. But if you are new, sweet and simply, as a beginner trader myself, I thought, let me document this whole journey, because trading can feel very lonely, especially the losing streaks and like it can feel very lonely. You feel like you are failing. You are not failing. This is not easy. So I, you know, personally, I believe it's actually quite nice to then be like, you know, I'm not alone in feeling this way. I'm really not alone in feeling... Oh, this is a damn B setup. Sorry, I was just watching this. So, okay, point is, I then thought it would be nice for people to see the real honest truth about a trading journey. Yes, mine is going to be different to some people's, but this is my trading journey and it's real, open and honest. Every single trade I take is online for everyone to see. You can see the emotions, you can see the frustration, you can see when I miss a trade that I get angry, you know, you can see that I'm still new, I'm still starting out. I'm not here making thousands, right? No, you have to start small, and as the confidence grows and as you improve your strategy or whatever the case may be, then you can start upping the risk and the amount of contracts you take. But I am still new. I am not here to pretend like I know everything. I do not know everything. That's why I sometimes go, ooh, okay. Explain that. I literally have like a notepad full of things. I also know trading can be quite overwhelming. Like I said, I literally learn something new every single day. Every single day. I've nearly been doing this for a year. Sometimes I learn multiple new things a day. It can be a lot. It really, really can be a lot. But anyways. Yeah, but so the point is why I then have question marks about the gurus and things. Okay, not all of them, obviously. Okay, obviously. If they are not trading live, if you cannot see them actually doing it in real time, is it even them doing it? If you do not have evidence that is real, like I said, that's why I throw up my balance. If you guys want to see my balance, if you want to, whatever the heck you want to see, I am a very open, honest book about this. Am I in drawdown? Yes. Last week I was in drawdown by $717. I had a really bad week last week. It knocked my confidence terribly, and because of that, this whole week has basically been me trying to rebuild my confidence, both in my strategy and myself, and it's not easy. It's really, really not easy, you know. And I just have to remind myself that trading is not a sprint. It is a marathon. It is a day at a time situation, and there's going to be losses. As long as you take the losses as lessons, awesome. Be the what is it that some people say? Be the best loser, right? Be the best loser. Losses are inevitable. As long as you learn from them, awesome. Ooh, SMT has kind of been created here on ES. Let's see what we've got happening here. Sorry, that was my rant done for the day, but for anyone new, that's basically the point of this channel. It's so that you don't feel alone in this trading journey, because I know for a fact that I've gone and watched some of these gurus and I watched them be oh so successful, and I'm just there like, okay, cool. Clearly I'm failing and I'm terrible at this and I should just give up on life. And then this amazing community reminds me that no, this is normal, right? They've also been trading for years and years and years. And you're right about being the best loser. Yep. Yeah. It tends to be inaccurate during high volatility. Jojo, sweet and simply because I'm still new, What are you saying? Charting on NQ, but then trading on MNQ? Or are you saying just trading on NQ, Jojo? Many years of reading charts to have a real understanding of what's happening. Learning to lose is the key to winning, which is wild. Am I trading 50k? Well, I started with 50k account. Yep. I do not leverage, no, and I do not trade in crypto. Riff, what's my strategy? Sweet and simply, my strategy is actually market auction theory. Do you guys know what market auction theory, for those that maybe don't know? But yeah, it's market auction theory mixed with ICT and SMC confluences. So I'm not here exclusively trading ICT or exclusively trading SMC. I've taken some concepts and confluences from them and used them with my little market auction theory strategy. How long have I been trading? Oh, Mark, I've only been trading for 11 months. So I'm not even a year in yet. And what has kept me going without quitting? Ooh, you're coming with the rough questions. I love it. Sweet and simply, I think this amazing community, because believe me, there's been days where I'm just like, I'm not good enough at this. Maybe I don't understand enough yet. Maybe I'm just stupid. I don't know. And this community is just like, calm down. You're fine. You've only been doing this for a year. You're okay. You are going to consistently learn all the time. And sometimes learning too much can, this sounds weird, but sometimes learning too much can screw you. Like OTT loves to say, sometimes you overcomplicate it. I feel like I'm kind of at that point. I've overcomplicated it a little bit, which is not ideal. Because me, as an overthinker, is a bit of a problem. But you can sometimes overcomplicate it. But that being said, the more you know, the better informed you are, but then keep it simple with the information. That's what I'm trying to achieve. Again, easier said than done. But that's basically the goal. So with regards to the quitting thing, sweet and simply, I haven't even been doing it for a year yet. And I like to look at the losses as if paying tuition. So it's no longer losses. It's basically seeing the losses as paying tuition for learning something. You know, think about going to university or college. You're going to pay tuition to learn things. It's going to take you 5 years of paying to learn things, right? And only then can you start making money. Similar with trading. You got to pay for the tuition, you got to learn the lessons, and only then can you start earning from it, from what you've learned. Green button up, red button down, all there is. David! Hang on real quick, did I call the upside to this? You did? Patience, watching, waiting for the right setup and execution. Yeah, basically. Which is kind of what this feels like right now. It's just waiting. Like I said, this here is a B setup. It's not even an A+ setup. I do not have an A+ setup that has formed. I had, but it didn't come back and tag me in earlier. There was only one trade I could have taken right at the beginning, but it's like I said, if I had taken it, I would have been rushing into it, which is bad. Rather a missed trade than rushing in and making a stupid mistake. I did that the other day. I learned my lesson from doing that. Freddie, how long do I stay in my trades? I guess it depends on the day. I've had it where I've been in and out without like... in and out of a trade within like minutes or seconds sometimes. And then I've had times where I've been in a trade for over an hour. It really depends on the price action. Risk on every trade, or does it fluctuate based on the setup and the asset trading? Mark, so I only trade the MNQ for now. When I started, I said, you know what, I'm going to stick to one asset, and then once I'm good at that, I'll start branching off. And what was the question? Oh, and I only risk around $200 per trade. Yeah. Call me insane. I have 90 indicators on... What did I just read, Mike? Because we all find our own way. New York charts look totally different. I can't say I recognize much ICT or SMC. Proved myself in demo, but then blew several accounts before passing my 20k lucid. Okay, interesting, Stealthy. Okay, wait, but then I have... Okay, what? Stealthy, what do you trade? What's your strategy? How long have you been trading for? Only we could catch every point of every day on every candle. We'll drain Wall Street within years. Let's do it, Eddie! My advice, overcomplicate the research. I hear you, right? That's the whole point of then... Oh, wait. Oh, wait. No, it's not the best, but doji and engulfing. Doji and engulfing, this is it. Flip. Okay, don't let FOMO win here. But this doji and engulfing is a goodie. One. I know I must get too hooked on that, but ooh, there we go. It's fine. Three. Let's see, it did tap in there. This could come and screw me, let's see, but I saw something which is definitely a point of interest for me. Let's see how this goes. Bit of a wick there to take that out, so it is stuck in a little bit confluence, but it's wanting to win. There's a huge volume imbalance there. Bulls are wanting to take over on ES. It did tap into a bit of an order block on NQ though. Let's see how it reacts. Hammer, no, I'm not in. It didn't. Okay, now I'm in. Oh, this might come down and get me, but I had my confluences. I had what I wanted to look for, so if it doesn't work, it is what it is. But come on, I want to see that rejection off of that volume imbalance on ES there. Then now I'm in, by the way. Back into here would be a decent if it goes there. Let's see. Is it worth having a larger stop loss at times so you don't keep getting stopped out? Pretty like, oh, sugar honey iced tea. Seriously? Oh, it started to reject so nicely. Oh, it was such a good freaking setup on ES as well. Damn it. As you say that, imagine it goes and hits TP now. Okay, but again, it was an A+ setup. This is what I was talking about with regards to the damn confidence. It was an A+ setup. It had what I was looking for. It just did not work out. That top tick got me. Even if I put it there, no. That's fine. One. A lower entry is a very good long. Why don't you put your stop loss under what? Mr. D, what do you mean by that? Why don't I put my stop loss under stop loss? Explain, please. Oh, under swing low. Oh, it's just how my strategy is. And as long as it's got the confluences, but watch it now. Let's see. Okay, wait, into Discord. Wait, what did this look like on the 5 minute? Let me quickly see something. No, the 5 minute was fine with regards to that. Never mind. Maybe it just wicked me out. Let's see how it reacts here after doing that. Plus underswing, so we will see. And still in. Nice. How many trades on average do you take daily? It depends on the day, Hammer. Don't say sorry, Hammer. It's fine. It's okay. It is what it is. Interesting. Let's see how this now goes. I'm curious about the no wicks on the 1 minute. Do you think no wicks on 1 minute have an effect? That's what I was checking on the 5 minute. If there were wicks or not on the 5 minute. They were wicks on the 5 minute, so maybe they do not have an effect. Darn you, market maker. Wait, let me actually put it here. No, I'll leave it there. Above. To be fair, it does kind of look like it's chopping a little bit right by this new weekly opening gap. This could start shooting up soon. Ooh! I had to stop myself there. I actually nearly marked it in for a buy because I saw something. Leave it alone, leave it alone, leave it alone, leave it alone. Okay, let's see. Oh, so frustrating. So, Mr. D, you are still in, right? Where's your TP in? TP in. Where's your TP at, Mr. D? That's what I was trying to English. Do. Oh, by the way, for anyone that is new, there is a Discord, by the way, if you guys want to join. Just please be aware of one very crucial thing, and that crucial thing is that there are scammers out there that are pretending to be me on Discord. So, first things first, I will not just well, I guess if I really want to ask you a question, I'll send you a friend request, but in general, I don't. So if you do join the Discord, please note, number one, I'll be super informal with you. If it looks like it's a message that has been copy-pasted, it is not me. Okay. Number two, if you are not sure if it is a scammer or not, literally ask for a one-on-one chat with me. I will so happily hop on and be like, yo, because you obviously know what I sound like and you know what I look like. Even if I have to put the camera on to be like, you're good. Do it. Rather safe than sorry. And last and most importantly, I will never send a phone number. Like, these scammers are absolute... This sounds mean. I apologize if you're a scammer and you're on here. Absolute idiots. Like, seriously. They put a phone number for, I think it was Florida, if I'm not mistaken, which is hilarious. I'm in South Africa. If it's a... like, it would be a +21 phone number, not a plus whatever. Okay, just putting it out there. For anyone that joined the Discord and is new, just be aware that there are scammers out there and they are complete idiots. It's more bullish than bearish, already taken 1 hour. Fair value gap, internal liquidity. Hey, Mr. J, what's up? I'm a scammer. I feel offended. Bam, just don't be dumb. Damn. I'm kidding. Doctor, is trading real? Yes. Hey, Freddy, what's up? Full-time or side hustle? Well, it's a bit of a side hustle. For now, until I am the bestest, most profitable person in the world. I say while I'm having the worst... speaking of, I have to freaking update my balance, which is now back down. Oh, okay, well, we're not below 59, so winning. I say while I'm in drawdown for this damn week. Not as bad as last week, so, you know, small improvements. Let's look on the bright side. Last week was a disaster. This week is looking better. We've had wins this week. There we go. Like I said, guys, if you want to ask any questions, right here. Okay, I'm so happy to show you everything. I try and keep this as open and honest as possible. Does it suck? Yes. Does it suck to be in drawdown? Hell yes. It is what it is, though. you know, so Deb, I don't know if Debbie's still here. I know Debbie said that she blew 9 funded accounts before getting her payout. I know a lot of people say it's pretty normal to blow your funded account the first time you get it. Woo! Okay, here we go. They're there, I guess. Wow. It does matter. No wick shows strong bullish or bearish movement. May show signs of reversal and a high value area to watch. Okay, but Bitman, so specifically with the reversal, does it want to go back to bull in the area with no wicks? Because theoretically here it had no wicks, right? Does that not mean no, wait, that wouldn't mean a strong bullish. Never mind, I take it back. Okay. So here you can now see it took out both of these levels where there were no wicks. Let's see what it does here. Is it now going to continue back up, or are we going to go back to being bearish? That was lame. I apologize. What's your oversentiment of the market, bullish or bearish? For today, Freddie, definitely bearish. Later for New York, though, to be determined. In all honesty, if you look at the daily, it's just going sideways and it's in a bit of a range. So, yeah. Hey, doctor! Crawl out of my cave after 6 years off the grid. How have you survived? What is a good platform to use if you're in South Africa? What's up? I'm also South African, so here we go. Tradify and Violin are both great if you want to be trading on you little mother fluffer. Here we go. Literally took out these no wicks. Add to the list of things, right? Mother bluffer, that was rude. Also, what the heck just happened now? Did someone tweet something? Was a tweet tweeted or an X X'd? Oh, sorry. So platform, there's Tradify, Violin, basically all the prop firms in my description below are SA friendly. Just saying. Anyways, yeah, all the ones in my description below are SA friendly. Yeah, so you can go have a look there. Good trade on Monday. I'm watching for another potential based on my model right now. Ooh, nice. Okay. All of what you just said is what she said. Angry Bob, what? Bye again. There's we're lurking. Breaking. One fairy friend, what's up? Funhouse, hi. Gaming clips. It's in a 5-minute pay value gap. It's going all the way back down. Bitman, okay, you think this is going back down? Daniel, gross. It will continue downward until buyers step in. Surplus of selling orders. Yes, unfortunately I did, and it sucked. But after dealing with psychology and emotions, I got over that hurdle. There we go, exactly. New York will be bullish. Is that like a fact, gaming clips? What is this tick? Hey, Prep, I'm actually on the Nasdaq futures. I'm talking. Is that what caused this right now? Blown 68 funded, 20 funded account copy trading in one day. Damn, MJ! That is insane! And yet you carry on, I love it. Have I looked into an AI trading script? Freddie, me and Davey have been talking about it. I don't know how I quite feel about it just yet, though. Quick, footy point pop them back down. I don't know what else to do here. That's the movement. Perp long or short? Sideways, apparently. I did kinda, I guess, make the mistake of getting in the chop. Okay, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Okay, that goes into the unhinged pickup lines. Here we go. Unhinged pickup lines. Let's do this. For those of you that did not see, if you want to see the most beautiful girl in the universe, just go and see yourself in the mirror. Anyways. I mean, some of these pickup lines are good. Anyways. I must say, they're quite impressive. Here's SMT on 1 minute. On the NQ? Yeah. Yeah, I 22. got some side calls. One fairy friend, I'm all upset about your balance. Same these, same. But it's okay. We carry on. I'm as open and honest as possible. Does it suck? Yes. So I was referring to. Then you said, does it suck for your first? Thanks. Caveat, your favorite one is? Look at the oils leading the market. You should not be looking for anything to push up right now. Nvidia is bullish. Interesting. Full disclosure, my runner would have been stopped out with my trailing stop set at 940. Ah, but that's okay. Still profit, right? Look at trading as learning to walk. You fell a good few times before you learned how to stay on your feet. I like that. I like that a lot. Damn, Cam Bam! That's amazing. Whoa! That was... Okay, I'm sorry. Did I make a weird noise? Perry didn't like that. He thought someone was... Yeah. Anyways. Some ugly chop fighting to go one way or the other a little bit. You trade in high volume. So doing some kind of studies in how to get you. Wow. One fairy friend, I feel bad for you. Why? And just no trade in small volume. Anyways, what's up? What's up? Hello. Hello. What's the problem? What is the problem? Okay. Okay, but seriously, what happened here? Does anyone know what happened here at 5:29? Because that was kind of random. Our balance, Robocop. Oh, they're coming for me, nothing I can do. Yeah. I wish I could explode that balance, start a fund me account. Oh, one fairy friend, that's hilarious. I mean, there's nothing stopping you from donating. Go on. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. What time of the day am I trading? Oxide, right now it's 12:35 for me. PM, not AM. It's not the middle of the night yet, it's the middle of the day. Good greet. What's up, love? Good greet. I just said good greet. I am Groot. Yeah, ready to be confidence potential created here. Still going down. Okay, we're stuck in this level here. And my bio one says something else good besides Stockmarket, but most girls don't get it. Wow. I'm in South Africa. What's up? I'm South African to anyone that's new. And if we coming, do I trade news? I will be here. Will I take a trade though? Let's see. I'll be here for New York session. Let's see what happens. What time is NFP? Is it at 10 AM EST time? Oxide, yep. I trade both London and New York session. Better stay not to trade. And then PMI at 10. Oh, goodness. Okay, so I'll most likely be hands off and... Whoa! Let's see what it brings. But yeah, most likely hands off until after 10 AM. And then because it's only 1 hour different. Oh, nice. Where are you at, Mr. D? Yeah, NFP and PMI at 10. I'm only 2 and there's lots of... What is happening? Is it Friday? Friday Feral Day. Loki, what it feels like. Friday Feral Day. Let's do this. It's not... I like... It just didn't work out, unfortunately. It did have a decent rejection and then it just... That's fine. On to... Well, I want to say on to the next. Let's see. I'm allowed... 2 more losses today. Sad. Sad, sad. That also would have been a stop loss, just FYI, if anyone was curious. I do. Kayolo, is that correct? MJ, you're new here. What's up? Welcome, welcome. I do trade New York session. Look at that. Volume, maybe job number was leaked. Oh, Anthony, maybe. My game best. Oh, can't mix business with pleasure. Let me quickly. Are you guys ready for the spiel? Sorry. What's up? So for anyone that is new, hi, welcome. So I am not claiming to know everything, not even pretending to know everything. I know that I have so far to go before I am anywhere near amazing at trading. Believe me, I'm aware of it. This month has made me very aware. And that's okay. So sweet and simply, I have been trading for 11 months now. I am officially on my first ever funded account. Yay! Am I close to blowing it? Maybe, but that's okay. All part of the trading journey. So yeah, I am here to, oh, sorry. Can you hear the hardy dogs in the background? That's how you know you're in South Africa. Anyways, I am here to be very open and honest about this whole trading journey. The ups, the downs, the everything. Every single trade I take is live. There is no shenanigans going on in the background. Every single trade I take is live. You can see the real life reaction. You can see the doubt, you can see the emotions, you can see everything. Essentially, it's so that you know that you are not alone. Trading is hard. If you guys do want to be part of the community, you are more than welcome to the the Discord link is in the description below. Please feel free to join. Please just know that it is a safe, loving community. Do people have different trading styles? Yes, 100%. Are people allowed their own opinions? Yes, 100%. As long as you don't go around calling other people stupid. If you think you have an idea that might help improve someone's strategy, go for it, but do it in a nice way. If you call people dumb, please, 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 please. I did ban someone the other day. I don't want to ban anyone else. Okay, I'm just saying. It's a supportive, loving community that actually wants to see people become profitable. That is the goal of the community. I want to be able to see people become profitable, and I have realized that sometimes this trading industry can be rather mean to each other. Like, they can be really mean to each other, and I think it's unnecessary. This is not easy. It is not easy. Why be mean to people that are going through the same struggles as you when you can rather help support and lift each other up? So anyway, that's just my spiel. That's basically why this was created. I started it as basically a log of my journey, and then I realized that unfortunately trading really does have a little bit of a lack of a supportive community. So hence, welcome. Again, like I said, am I amazing? Heck no. Okay, I still have a very long way to go, but I try my best to be as open and honest about the whole journey as possible. So yeah, welcome if you're new. That's my rant done. Sorry, back to the trades, or back to the charts rather. Go along on it. Stopping secrets, those trade my volume and like the big risk. You don't use indicators. YOLO though. Not really, no. Hey, so proud of you. Congratulations and Godspeed on your trading. Aw, Bitman, you're so sweet. Thank you. 330 NFP. Yep, I started trading now 6 months. Oh, nice, MJ. And how's it going for you? You sound very knowledgeable. I wouldn't have guessed 6 months. Which firm? I'm currently with Top 1 Futures. Yes, I'm funded with Top 1 Futures currently. Aw, you're welcome. Honesty is the best policy, people. Honesty, like I said, this is not an easy journey. And I must say, it did kind of suck watching a bunch of traders and they're making tons and making it look so easy, and then I felt like I was doing a lot very wrong. And then people started to say that this is very normal, and it made me feel better. All your platforms are prop. I was looking for a non-prop platform. Ah, sorry. Yeah, sorry. I do prop platforms. Sorry about that. What do I trade? Nasdaq futures. 1k in loss means 50%. Yes. Yes, 100%. Well, not 100%, 50%. Anyways, no one sent me to say you are the best trader on YouTube. I'll buy your course. I do not have a course. If you want help, I guess I can help you for free. Yeah. What size account? 50k account. Oh my gosh, look who's being nice to me. What's up, David? It's like the first nice thing you've said to me today. Good grief. 80-90% success rate. I feel your pain and can show you the way free from a distance. It's so close and oh damn. Fairy friend, that's hilarious. Long now, let's go. Okay, David, do you think it's long now? Most of these Harvard MBA types, they don't add up to. Give me guys that are poor, smart, and hungry, and no feelings. You win a few, you lose a few. Exactly, Angry Bob. That I love that. That right there was pure honesty, pure respect. You win a few, you lose a few. I think what's important is that you don't give up. At the end of the day, that's it. But you keep on fighting, and if you need a friend, get a dog. Rich warfare out there. Oh my goodness, how many funded accounts? Just one funded. This is my first ever funded. That was... No, you weren't. You were telling me to apologize. Nice shot. If I try now, use some. It doesn't give them. So far, get 6 payout, blown a lot of funded accounts. Oh, damn. Did you do evals first, MJ? Yeah, like they were kind of mean to the guy that said moving averages are all you need. I'm not saying any indicators 100%, but moving averages are used by pros. They're still valid. Guys, everyone has different opinions. Everyone has different strategies. Everyone has a different way of trading. No one is wrong as long as it works for them and they are profitable. If that makes sense to them and they know how to use it and they know how to execute it correctly at the correct time, awesome. Good for you. Okay, like I said, if maybe someone has a suggestion to maybe improve the win rate, even better. They can take or leave the advice, but you know, at the end of the day, everyone's on their own journey. I mean, like MJ, right? You say that you've been doing this for 6 months and it sounds like you're already doing really well. That is awesome. Well done. I've been doing this for a year. I'm still me. You know, I've also heard of people that only became profitable after 3 or 4 years. It's a different timeline. It's a different journey. It's a different everything per person. So you can't say one strategy suits everyone best because that is just a lie. Okay. I was a personal trainer. That's saying one fitness activity will work best for everyone. That is just a complete load of BS. It will never be that way. Ever. Everyone is made up differently, which is good. It means the world is then not boring. Can you imagine if everyone was exactly the same? Disgusting. It means that we have variation, but it means... So I'm just going to use the personal training thing as a metaphor here, right, for this, but it does mean that you then have to just alter the training for each person's needs and each person's different genetic makeup, where, you know, basically saying that not one strategy is going to work or not work per person. There could be a strategy that they love and it works for them, and it will just not work for you because it just doesn't click. They are not wrong, you are not wrong. No one's wrong. If it works for you, awesome. If it doesn't, move on to the next. It means it's hard at Apex. I've been saying it means a lot to them. Seriously, Cat, that was terrible. Yeah, 50 and 200, those are commonly used. I've heard about those ones, yes. 10 years, damn, bro. You're like mummins. Sideways, yeah, love, I agree with you. Don't overthink it. Yep. Why you guys spend time on learning ICT concepts? This is fake be a concept like everyone else. So cringe. Okie dokie, like that. MC games, seriously, was that why? Who hurt you? Anyways, moving on. Sorry, my tolerance for people saying things like that is this big at the moment. So, you know, if it doesn't work for you, then don't use it. It depends on when you start. If you're in a bull market, everyone is brilliant. Get started in a downtrending market and be superb. And when you know you're in the top 10%. Oh, thanks, Mike. about this. Hey, Turtle on Ice, what's up? Yes, I trade Apex evals most of the time. Oh, nice. Okay, okay, there we go. MJ, did you start? Wait, did I not chat to you yesterday? I swear I chatted to you yesterday. I did not chat to you. Are you sure I chatted to you yesterday? All you need is one trend line. Again, if trend lines work for you, awesome. Believe me. Oh, I've drawn a trend line before. Oh, oh, I got yelled at for that. Wow, I got yelled at for that. A lot of costly lessons were learned. Yeah, like I said, tuition. Just look at it like tuition. It's the best way to look at it. I used to manage F45 studio. Is it bad that I don't know what that is? Bob to Bob uppies. Fair enough, Foxhole, do you know where uppies comes from? Sorry. I've already done the fun fact of the day, but now I kind of want to tell you guys about uppies because I think it is the funniest thing in the world. Hope you like the stream before I ban. Chris Fox, why am I talking so much? Because sweet and simply the charts are going sideways. Bam, mic drop. Okay. If someone doesn't understand folks on a different journeys, tell me they aren't profitable. Yep. Ah, Turtle on Ice, you're so sweet. I know, Rashawn, I know. It's fine. Trend lines are better on 30 minutes plus charts on the 1 minute. You'll get your face ripped off. Oh, there we go. See? I used to trade crypto for 1 year, then switched day trading NQ last September. Wait. So you used to trade crypto for 1 year. Swing trading? Yeah? Then you switched to day trading NQ last September. What made you decide to change, MJ? Looks like it wants to make a double bottom, but I'm long too soon. YOLO, oh no, I mean, I tried to get in the long, as well, as you can see. It's fine. But exactly, oh, I like that, it's an art form. That sounds so profound, I love it. I love the art form thought of it. Because it is, right? You gotta... That now sounds like I'm starting to waffle on about weird and wonderful things. I was gonna say, you gotta find beauty in the chaos, but that might be pushing it. Well, swing trading is a long time, it's not for me. Day trading and scalping is perfect. Rashawn, I agree with you. Hello. You're from Argentina? That's so cool. I do not actually understand what you're saying, but I understand. I understood the you're from Argentina, and I'm assuming. Are you saying you hope I'm in profit, or are you asking I'm in profit? Zofu. Also, fun fact: my parents are in Uruguay. I'm losing 49%, but I'm winning 51%. That profitable or not? What does someone say? What's your RR? But I'm assuming profitable, right? Good profit. Thank you. Well, I'm not on profit, but I will take it. I will take it. I will take the good profit. I'm hoping it's just saying we've got this today. Heck yeah. Like I said, I try. Right now, they're in a foxhole. You know what's so frustrating is that I did want to get into the short, it just didn't come and retrace far enough back up to get me. I literally tried to enter into this short drive down here like 3 times and it just kept missing me. It was a little bit mean. Oh well. I found a glitch in the matrix. Maya, come on, call that and I'll show you. Okay, Mikuave, this sounds wild. Okay. Fun. Yep. Morning from hey, Dev Josh online. From Tampa, that's so cool. Walk in our shoes. Stealthy? Walk in our shoes? What do you want of us? What do you mean, Stealthy? Not yet, Angry Bob. I still... Guys, I appreciate that you guys think I have the world of time every single day. I trade for... What? 3, 4, 5. Like I said, sometimes I trade for like... Okay, let's say 5 hours a day. Okay. 5, 6, 7. Okay. 2 hours go towards then editing and. Okay. Then another 3 hours go towards going to the horses. That's already 10 hours that go. In between that, I have to try find time to eat, sleep, And I know it doesn't sound like a lot. It sounds like maybe there's a lot more time, but believe me, unfortunately, there's only so many hours in the day. Oh, let's not forget I have to take Mr. Fussy Pants over here for walks. Good grease. Good grease. Good grease. Good grief. That's what I was trying to say. I butchered it though. It's a reoccurring winner on the charts. Oh? Okay, Mikuwava, you have piqued my curiosity. Losing $100, but other trades winning in $110. Is that still profitable? I mean, theoretically, it might just take a while, son, I guess. What am I trading right now, though? MNQ. Well, I'm not trading anything because this is going sideways, but MNQ. Just don't sleep. Oh, my bad. My bad. Why didn't I think of that? I'm not excited at the moment. No? Is that a funded? It is, Josh. This is a funded. It's not going great, but it is a funded. It's my first ever funded, actually. Yeah. If you're sitting on your hands, then bring up finders and get chat to help you out. Current is open at 0.2. Lightning gold is around 20. He's still holding. Have they got the patience to hold it for so long? I feel like that takes a very specific type of person. Sean, I'm not gonna lie. That takes a very specific type of person, and I have so much respect for them. I don't think I would ever be able to do that. Sweet and simply. Not a chance. What's happening? You're gonna give this... Okay. Looking for a potential long here. I still think this is just going sideways right now, but let's see. Win rate versus 51 lows. Big ass wins, exactly, but yes, yes, crypto swing trades, crypto very volatile, hard to hold up and down, lost a lot of money. NQ is better to in and out, sizing down once liquidity taken either side. MJ, yeah, also to be fair, the spread, right? I've heard the spread on crypto can be... Is it crypto? Oh, where's the spread nasty? Crypto or Forex? I'm getting those two confused now. Or both. It could be both, I guess. Looked at what? Perp, what did you look at? Oh, I should not be playing with this thing, but itchy. Forex. Thank you, Debbie. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, so Forex is the one with the nasty spreads. How are the spreads of crypto? Out of curiosity. Yes, always for the stop loss. Always. Falling wedge into 6 AM breakout. Let's go. Yeah, of course it's real. I don't know. How do I... All my tattoos are real. Longing right now. The correct idea, just too early. Dang, never. Never trade in crypto, you'll be broke in a few years. Damn, okay. Rub on tattoo. Well, you know, I just every single day placing it in the exact same spot. I'm not that good. Okay, this is still just going sideways. I might, well, let's see. I'm actually most likely gonna call it there for today. Well, for today. For London session. I will be back for New York later, so that's fine. Let's see if we get anything. This is now just going sideways. I think it's just chin-chilling for now. And I gotta go to the horses, go touch some grass. Go think about my life choices, apparently. Just kidding. Well, no, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. We've got this. I just entered at the wrong spot. Doesn't mean it's wrong. anyways, so I will be back New York session. Hope you guys trade safe if you're still trading this. If not, I will be back. I might sit on my hands until after the news at 10 a.m. EST time. Let's see though, maybe some awesome opportunities present themselves. We'll find out at New York. I love you guys madly. Thank you for joining. Don't forget to press that like button if you want to join the community. Discord link is in the description below. If you guys, I don't know, if you want discounts, you can use my code. That's about it. Okay. I love you guys madly. See you in New York session. Love you. Bye.